Hello everyone, welcome back to Food Tech Network. So if you want to join free courses online, then on Google you have to search www.foodtechnetwork.in. There you will be redirected to our website. So this is the home page of our website. There you will get many options. Like first, you can join our WhatsApp group for job updates and other food technology related information. Then you can also connect to us via WhatsApp, LinkedIn, YouTube, Telegram or Facebook. There you will get many options on our website that are like e-learning, trainings and certificates, jobs, news, academic institutions, webinars and conferences. So you will find the Swayam free courses online in e-learning section. So in the e-learning section, first you have to click on it. First, you will get the link to our YouTube food technology lectures. Then you will get a description regarding Swayam free classes. So Swayam is initiated by Government of India. All courses on it are free to enroll and free to learn. For certificates, you have to register and give an exam. So the exam is optional for a fees of 1000 rupees. You will be eligible for a certificate only if the average assignment score is more than 10 out of 25 and the exam score is more than 30 out of 75. If one of the two criteria is not met, then you will not get the certificate even if your score is 40 out of 100. So basically for food technology, there are 5 courses. First is novel technologies for food processing and shelf life extension. Second is instrumentation and process control in food industry. Third is food laws and standards. Fourth is food microbiology and food safety. And the fifth one is commercial fruit production, pomegranate and guava. So you can enroll for any of these courses. So for like novel technology for food processing and shelf life extension, the instructor is Professor Harinivas Mishra from IIT Kharagpur. So to enroll for this, you have to click on this link. So after clicking on this link, you will be redirected to Swayam official website. So there you will get the complete description about the course. The duration of this course is 12 weeks and it will be starting on 24th of January 2022 and will end on 15th of April 2022. And the last date to enroll is 31st of January 2022. Here in the left, you will get the complete information regarding the course and the course profile, and you will get the information regarding books and references and the complete description about the instructor. So the date of exam for this course is 23 of April 2022. You can apply for this course or for all courses. The application process is same. So to sign in for the courses, you have to click on this red button. Then you have to sign in through your Microsoft, Google, Facebook account, or you can just put your username or password for it if you are already signed in. Then let us move to the next course. That is instrumentation and process control in food industry. So the instructor for this course is Professor Ashish Kumar Datta. That is, he is from IIT Kharagpur. So to apply for this, you have to click on this link and you will be redirected to the official website of Swayam. So the duration of this course, it is 8 weeks and the starting date of the same is 24th of January 2022. The course will end on 18th of March 2022. Last date to enroll for the course is 31st of January 2022 and it is an undergraduate level course. Here in the left are the course profile, book references and description for the instructor. And the exam for this course will held on 27th of March 2022. The process to join this course is same as the previous one. You have to click on the red button and you have to log in through your Microsoft, Google or Facebook account. Let us move to the next course. That is food laws and standards. So the instructor for this course is Dr. Meeta Sinha Mahapatra. She is from Indira Gandhi National Open University. So to register for this course, you have to click on the link. There you will be redirected to the official website of SWAYAM. So this is a 16-week course and it will be starting on 1st February, and the last date to enroll for this course is 31st January 2022. And here are the other details of the course, and the course layout is also given. Books, references and the description of the instructor is given here. So the registration process is same. Let us move to the next course, that is food microbiology and food safety. So the instructor for this course is Dr. Tejpal Deva. He is from Central University of Haryana. So to apply for this course, you have to click on the link. There you will be redirected to the SWAYAM official website. So this is a 15-week course and is starting on 11th of January 2022. And the end date of the course is 30th of April 2022. The last date to enroll for this course is 28th February 2022. Here are the other details for the course. Application process is same. Let us move to the next course, that is commercial fruit production, pomegranate and guava. So the instructor for this course is Dr. Madhuri Sonavane. She is from Yashwantrao Chavan Maharashtra Open University, that is in Nasik, Maharashtra. So to apply for this course, you have to click on the link, and this course is a 4-week course and is starting on 1st February. And the enrollment of this course ends on 31st of January 2022. Here is the course layout, book references and instructor description. The application process is same, that you have to sign in through your Google, Facebook or Microsoft account. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching. Do visit our website www.foodtechnetwork.in. You can apply for these courses from there. The link of the website is in description.